Hey, how's it going? Welcome to the Faub shop. Today, we're going to be building fishing pole holders for the golf cart. This right here is a super easy, simple project that can really upgrade your golf cart. All right, so I want this to be streamlined, and I don't want to drill a bunch of holes in the golf cart in case I ever sell it, or it doesn't work out the way I think it is. There's 2 bolts right here, and I'm going to use this pre-existing hole to line up my pole holder, and it should be sturdy enough. If it's not, I'll add an extra one here, but I'm going to start off with just one. So from here to the end, I'm going to call it 10 inches. I don't want it to overlap and then have a jagged edge when you're putting your elbow and shoulder on there and cut yourself up. So I want it to be almost the same curvature of this. Bolt to there, 10 inches. Let's get started. So right here I got 1-inch angle iron found in the trash. Keep your eyes open for gold like this. Another free stuff. Trash is treasure. All right, got our hole drilled. Perfect size. Love it. Gonna put it on the golf cart. Double check my measurements. Look at that, man. It's like it came with the golf cart. So this is what I called 10 inches earlier. Let me double check. A little far. It's going past that radius. I'll call it 9 on this side. Right there. All right, I only need 1 bolt. It's not coming off. Going over to the chop saw. Now we have our framework for our hole holder mount. Now we get to add on the square tubing to hold our poles. So right here I've got 1.5 to 2-inch square tubing. Yep, 1.5 inches. I want it to be flush with the top of my bracket, and I probably only want 4 or 5 inches just to make sure the pole doesn't wobble too much, but it doesn't need to be a foot long because these are just pond poles. Don't really care about how big it is. So yeah, we're gonna do 5, 5, 5. I think I can hold 3 on here. That's hot. We got 5, 10, and 15. All right, so we got these all cleaned up. Now it's time to put them on the bracket and space them out and weld them up. I always thought I wanted to be a welder growing up. Thankfully, I didn't pursue that because I'd make no money with these welds. But they get the job done. So now we have the bracket, pole holders. I'm gonna make sure it's gonna fit before I paint it up. Here's the wood that I found on the side of the road. If you wanna see that video, check here. It's a catch-all. Now it's a painting background. We're gonna let this dry.
Why are you so sweaty?
And then install it on the golf cart. All right, so we got the finished product. I'm gonna put it on and then put some poles and go fishing. Oh my gosh. All right, that is nice and tight. Well, tight enough for a golf cart. Great. Let's go fishing. This right here is a super easy, simple project that can really upgrade your golf cart.